Someone opens ChatGPT for the first time, types, "Write me something good," and gets back 3 paragraphs of absolute nothing, just confident word soup. They close the tab thinking, wow, this is the tech that's changing the world? That's not the AI being broken. That's you asking a stranger to make dinner with 0 groceries, no kitchen, and no idea if you're allergic to shellfish. Vague in, vague out. Every single time. Let's fix it with a 4-word formula. Role, task, context, format. Role is who it is. Act as a cynical comedy writer. Task is the actual job. Write a birthday card message. Context is the flavor. For my sister who's turning 30 and hates being called old. Format is how you want it. 2 sentences. 0 cheesy rhymes. Suddenly the AI isn't guessing. It knows the exact game it's playing. But here's the real secret weapon. Treat the first answer like a rough sketch, not a finished painting. If it misses the mark, don't open a new chat. Tell it, make it sharper. Tell it, too long, cut it in half. It doesn't get offended, it just fixes it, instantly. Pro tip: if you hate repeating yourself, drop your background into custom instructions in your settings once, and it'll remember your style forever. Stop typing and praying. Give it a role, a task, the context, and the format. That's how you actually put AI to work. Okay, that's ChatGPT sorted. But if you're living inside Gemini 2, there's a feature just as underused. It's called Personal Intelligence, and it's exactly what it sounds like. A little spooky, extremely convenient. You flip it on in settings, and you choose what connects. Gmail, photos, YouTube, search, whatever you're comfortable with. Once it's on, Gemini stops making you repeat yourself. Ask it what tire size your car takes, and instead of shrugging, it digs up an old purchase email to find your exact model. Ask about planning a trip, and it pulls details straight from your photos and past bookings. It's not reading your mind, it's just finally paying attention. And don't worry, none of this happens without your say-so. Everything is opt-in, you pick exactly which apps connect, and you can shut any of it off whenever you want. So that's the move. Nail your prompts in ChatGPT, then let Gemini's personal intelligence do the remembering for you.